Clownfish. Clownfish are small orange fish with white stripes. They live in sea anemones that protect them. They are friendly and swim in groups. Blue tang. Blue tangs are bright blue with a yellow tail. They live in warm reefs. They are fast swimmers and eat algae. Great white shark. Great white sharks are huge with sharp teeth. They live in oceans around the world. They are powerful hunters and can jump out of the water. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have a flat head shaped like a hammer. They live in warm seas. Their wide head helps them find food like fish and rays. Whale shark. Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the world. They have white spots on their gray skin. They are gentle and eat tiny plankton. Dolphin. Dolphins are gray with smooth skin and a smiling face. They live in groups called pods. They are playful, smart, and love to jump. Orca killer whale. Orcas are black and white whales. They live in cold and warm oceans. They are strong hunters and swim in family groups. Beluga whale. Belugas are white whales with round heads. They live in Arctic seas. They sing with many sounds, earning the name canaries of the sea. Narwhal. Narwhals are gray whales with a long spiral tusk. They live in icy Arctic waters. Their tusk is actually a long toothed humpback whale. Humpbacks are giant whales with long fins. They sing songs under the water. They can leap out of the sea in amazing splashes. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have hard shells and flippers. They live in oceans but lay eggs on beaches. They can live for many years. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and soft bodies. They live on the sea floor. They can change color to hide and escape. Squid. Squids have long arms and swim fast. They live in deep and shallow seas. They can shoot ink to protect themselves. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish look like squid but have a special bone inside. They can glow and change patterns. They are called the chameleons of the sea. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are soft and see-through. They float in every ocean. They can sting with their long tentacles. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and live on rocks. If they lose an arm, it can grow back. They eat shellfish slowly. Seahorse. Seahorses are tiny fish shaped like horses. They live in seagrass. The father carries the babies in his pouch. Manta ray. Manta rays are huge, flat fish with wings. They glide gracefully through the ocean. They eat plankton with their wide mouths. Stingray. Stingrays are flat fish with long tails. They rest on sandy seafloors. They can sting if they feel scared. Lionfish. Lionfish have red and white stripes with long spines. They live in coral reefs. Their spines are sharp and protect them.